law boss. They on a show in one of them Caribbean here. The promoter try book Alkaline. You know what Alkaline say? Him now go on the stage with them boy. So if I have a problem with the Jamaican artists them, him now perform on no stage with them. So who you? You're more than law boss. How you? You're not perform on stage with the artists them, brother. That's why you're not taking the bookings, because if you take any bookings, you're gonna have to perform with other artists, right? And now you pick and choose who you want to work with. Some artists will go kiss your ass.
Fresh
you know
drop.
Some artists are not gonna shoot off for you. You know you may go up on the stage with law boss and law boss may step in your face. You bumbo clot. And that's why you have to mind your picnic when she bought off you. Don't mind she bought a picnic. Because she bought come out and say, you breed him. We don't know how that one they work. But come on, she bought a picnic at that boy not a picnic. But anyway, Alka, now they know we're close to Addy. So we don't know why you want to keep on and make it look like the Alkaline, they're anywhere close to Addy. Alkaline that's why take up bookings, bro. Look, Addy gone at one place, and the one place where Addy gone, I cover the whole of Alkaline lifetime money when ever making a music. Man gone to London, and the man do one tour, and the man go cover every dollar where Alkaline make in a one bumbuckler tour. Try that and beat the God.